Hey guys, it's Carl with ClearFlow Home Maintenance here in beautiful Charlotte, North Carolina. And today I want to talk to you about something that most homeowners don't even think about, but should. We're talking about your dryer vent. Not the lint trap you clean after every load, but the vent behind your dryer that runs through the wall and sometimes through your ceiling. That hidden duct might seem harmless, but over time it collects lint, dust, and debris, and when that airflow gets restricted, it can put your home and your family at serious risk. Okay, a clogged dryer vent makes your dryer work harder, and that means you're wasting energy every time you run a load. Your clothes get damaged faster, your dryer's lifespan gets shorter, and most importantly, it becomes a fire hazard. Okay, and also, did you know that the U.S. Fire Administration reports thousands, and I mean thousands, of house fires every year caused by lint buildup in dryer vents? And that's crazy. And the sad part is it's 100% preventable. Okay, at ClearFlow Home Maintenance, we take dryer vent safety seriously. Our professional dryer vent cleaning service removes that built up lint and debris so your system runs smooth, safe, and efficient again. We follow a 3-step process. Number one, we assess and set up. We identify the type of dryer and the vent route, whether it goes through a wall, crawl space, or even sometimes through the roof. Number two, thorough cleaning. We use specialized rotary brushes and high-powered vacuums to clear every inch of the duct, okay? And number three, a final check. We reconnect the dryer, clean the hose, and test airflow to make sure that everything is working perfectly. It's a full, detailed cleaning, not a quick in and out job like most, okay? If you've noticed your dryer taking a little longer to dry your clothes, or the unit's getting too hot to the touch, or even if it's been over a year since your last cleaning, that's your sign. Don't risk it. Protect your home, your clothes, and your peace of mind. Call or text us at 704-219-7874 or visit us online at clearflowhomemaintenance.com to schedule your vent cleaning today. Hey, if this video helped you out, do me a favor. Hit the like button, subscribe, share this video with a friend, or even with a neighbor who might need to hear it. Again, this is Carl with ClearFlow Home Maintenance, reminding you a clean vent today can save you a headache tomorrow. So stay safe, Charlotte. Till next time, we'll talk to you all soon. Peace out.